see, my face is red. I'll be right back. Someone came out of my butt.
And I'm sunburned.
Gnarly glasses. Okay. They had other one, but they had the lines and not the glasses part. And I was like, I can't deal with those even though they're gnarly. Because these have sunglasses in them. And the other ones don't. So my eyes would have fried. So I got a tan. Like that. There's a boy underneath my chair. As you can see.
Hi. Hello, beautiful.
Anna is not here with me. She's not here with me to make the videos. It's so random
I'm
videos.
watching this, don't listen.
Pull my bra strap. Can't pull it now. Bucko.
Let go.
No. See my underwear. Anyways. Ah! Stop it, CJ.
Okay.
Cousin.
I don't know what you mean.
We are going to Good Guys Car Show. Today's Friday, so Saturday and Sunday. 2 more days. With him.
With me.
I'll get him. You'll see. I'll get him. I'll give him a wedgie too.
If you do, I'll pull your bra strap.
Okay, anyways. Don't pull my bra strap.
Really, I can see it over.
Yeah, I know. That's your problem. Did you hit your head? I thought he hit his head. Anyways. My hair. Yeah! Out of whack here. Whoa. They suspended me from Neopets. You never get on Neopets because if you're going to role play and you say something that you're not supposed to, it will either freeze your account, give you a warning, or suspend you from Neopets. They can't suspend you, big dog. Hey, don't make me beat you with my fruits basket. Beating the dog. Down, 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 down. Down, down. Get back, wildebeest. He's back. Anyways, my stupid dragon of a dog. And,
Hi.
Down at an English fair, one evening I was there, when I heard a showman shouting underneath the flare. Child bought a lovely batch of cake tonight. Well, they all
okay. Some as big as your head.
Huh?
Some as big as your head. What the heck?
What the? Oopsie. Sorry. You need help. I need help.
Oh, my cell phone got wet. Oh, no, it didn't. So just, it's fine. Anyways, this song sucks. It's true, sad, but true.
Everybody
Hey!
Come on. Apologies. I'm gonna try and watch.
Oh god.
Turn back to regular film.
I can see. Oh!
Oh my god. That looks so sweet.
Look like Kyoya. Morgan High School Host Club. You know the light that
Now let me see my
never
glasses.
mind.
Don't bend them. I'm just gonna.
I can't see you.
Huh?
You look snarly. Okay, enough with that song. Annoying. What's the banana phone? Oh! More people are here.
Ring, 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 banana phone. Ring, 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 banana phone. I've got this feeling so appealing for us to get together and sing, sing. Ring, 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 banana phone. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding, banana phone. It grows in bunches. I've got my hunches. It's the best, beats the rest. Cellular, modular, interactive, modular. Ring, 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 banana phone. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping, banana phone. It's no baloney, it ain't a phony. My cellular, bananular phone. Don't need
Merry freaking Christmas. Anyways. We hope we see you. We hope we see you at Good Guys Car Show. You better be there. No, I'm just
You
kidding.
better be there. Kids. By the way, we saw it.
What?
Spilling water.
When did I spill water? My mother. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. Anyways. That's fun.
I woke up, it was 7, waited till 11 just to figure out that no one would call. I think I've got a lot of friends, but I don't hear from them. What's another night all alone? When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes.
Oh, I have to do something. You know Edge
Yeah.
from the wrestling?
Yeah. What about Kiss Rock?
Hmm?
You have that on here? Kiss Rock.
Yeah, it's always on there, I guess. I love doing this to his song.
What?
Listen.
You think you know?
That. It's a purpose thing.